What's up, you guys? This is your homeboy Josh, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your own custom blocks in Scratch the easiest and the fastest way possible. So first, you want to open up your Scratch and you want to go to your project, and then once you're in here, you simply want to click in here in the My Block section and then click Make a Block. Then this is actually how you create your own custom block. So in here, the block name or the label for this block, let's just say let's create a count block. All right, count, and the input should be a number, right? So number, and then let's just say we add another one, another function like yes or no. So it should be a boolean. So if it's like if or a plus or a less than or greater than. So anyway, this is how you could create your own custom blocks in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next video. Thank you.